Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, I was going to do this unboxing on my desk, but I've just managed to spill a whole can of Pepsi Max all over my desk, so it's very wet and very sticky and yuck. Yeah, typical me, so I'm having to do this on the floor. But anyway, it is quite a big box. So, this is another eBay live purchase. This is one of the lovely people, or couple, that I watch, Carbootchris and his lovely wife Belle. Yeah, I've been following them for quite a while, watching their videos. I go in on their lives on a Monday evening, and they do this duck race live on their channel, and yeah, it's quite good fun. It's not real ducks, don't worry, but yeah, it's just really good. They're really entertaining to listen to, lovely people. And yeah, it just passes the time. It's probably one of the best things on telly, along with the other YouTubers that I watch. So, and they started doing eBay live. So hello, am I being joined by you? Am I being joined by you? Yeah, Millie is sort of like mooching round. I'm not sure whether she's going to join in or not, but she is just off to the side watching what I'm doing. So yeah, this big box arrived, came reasonably quickly, I think 3 or 4 days, which is amazing, because if you see the amount that some people sell on eBay live, to then have to pack it all and post it all out, yeah, quite a feat to do. So just a couple of little bits and pieces that I got this time. It does support the channel, so that's really good as well. You know, it just helps them get some sales. Sometimes it's things that have been sitting around on eBay, their eBay store for a while, or sometimes it's things that they've just got in, and it just, well, it's fun. It's an auction, and I love auctions, and I have been buying quite a bit because, yeah, I'm probably going to be buying a lot more now as cheer up things. So this, yeah, this is part of one of my projects that I'm going to be doing. And look, it's a little basket. Are you coming to look? Look at these. Oh, Millie's more interested in the newspaper. She's just sort of slightly off. Oh, she's gone. Nope, she don't want to be on camera today. She's disappeared. She's watching out. So yeah, let me let the cat out of the bag. Hands up everybody who knew I was going to say that. The old ones are the best. Oh, she's coming to have a look now, look. Yeah, she likes the newspaper better. Chris and Belle do have a Cocker Spaniel called Cookie. So are you having a look? These are little pussycats. They are. They are. And all in a little bed, look. And I thought, oh, I just can't resist. I just can't resist. And yeah, I've got projects planned for lots of little teeny tiny animals. I'm not quite sure whether they did come in that bag or not. I mean, I know they came in the bag now, but originally. But look, aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I think we've got 12. They've all got like little collars and little things on their collars. Oops, go the right way, Liz. So yeah, that one's quite jewelled. So, and the little bells ring as well. And they're like proper little collars as well. You know, these haven't been cheap when they've been bought. These are absolutely gorgeous. So that's number 1. And then that's number 2. Look, he's got like a metal bell charm. I mean, you could keep them all together or split them up. But yeah, they're just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at that one. And they've all got really cute little noses. Some of them, they look like, oh, I was thinking they're a little bit heart-shaped, the noses, aren't they? Really, really sweet. Millie is watching very intently. Let's see if I can just get her. There you are. You can see Millie watching now. So that's like a little tortoise-shell brown one with a little red collar. And he's got a star on. So yeah, there's a lot of thought gone into these. Sorry, I'm having to do this one-handed. Those of you that watch my channel, I have broken my wrist. So yeah. Having to learn to do everything one-handed, so that's that one. And then another one with a bell round its neck, look. But they are metal, and as I say, they're proper collars with proper buckles and everything on them. So that one's really sweet. Look at that one. And then we've got like a grey, oh, like a tortoise shell. Actually, it's a bit leopardy, this one. and he's got a paw print look on his collar, but again, all the proper collars. Some of them are material, some are a bit leather sort of material. So yeah, I think these have been well loved looking at them. They might just need a little bit of a clean. Another star look. I think that one's a Siamese type cat. We are Siamese, if you please. Dum-dum-dum. We are Siamese, if you don't please. Dum-dum-dum. Millie's not impressed. Not sure it's the cat she doesn't like or whether it's my singing. Probably my singing. Then we've got another paw print there, look. That one's a little bit fluffy, isn't it? Oh, I don't know what she's seen. Must be something on the TV. We've got a very sort of smooth haired one there, look. They've all got little buttons on them as well, on the bottoms. So, and another bell. Did we see that one already? I can't remember now. We've got a little black one, look. Oh, that's a different one. That one's got a little sort of... That one's got a little charm on it with a fish stamped on it, look. Ooh. Yeah, so that's a black cat. I used to have 2 black cats. I had a black cat and a very fluffy tabby. Tuffy flabby. Easy for you to say. And that, oh, it's alive. But they've all got little whiskers as well. They've all got little whiskers as well. They're really, really cute. Sorry, I keep going the wrong way. It's because I'm going to use the excuse that I'm having to do everything left-handed and I'm right-handed. So that one's got another bell. Oh, that one's sweet. So yeah, we've got a basket of cats. So we've let the cat out of the bag. Bum-bum. And a little grey one. But yeah, and they've all got cat eyes as well. The eyes are all shaped. They're all... the eyes are all shaped like a cat's eyes, look, as well. And that one's got the paw print on it as well. So that is absolutely gorgeous. And I didn't pay much. And then I've got the basket as well, which has got... I think it's got a cat on it as well. Yeah, it's got like a cat shape on it, I think. Sorry, cats, I'm just... Yeah, it's got a cat shape on the basket on the bottom. So yeah, I thought they were really cute and I just couldn't resist. I think they were about £6 I've paid. So yeah, sort of 50p-ish each. What you tend to find with most of the eBay live sellers is that they'll charge you 1 postage and then just a little bit or nothing for any other items that you buy. So you get a really good deal on your postage as well. So let's try and move the pussycats out of the way. And then let's have a look at this. This is something that isn't particularly my thing. It's all very well packaged, by the way, as well. But I just fell in love when I saw it. Oh, this is carbootchris, look. This is his card. And then that's all his social media. And he's got a QR code as well. So if you want to follow him on... If you want to follow him on YouTube or wherever, he's on X, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok there, so you can follow along. That's all his details. Okay, and I will link him below as well. But yeah, I just saw this and it just really spoke to me. So, and it's not a Scottie dog. Gosh, it's heavy. Blimey, it's a lot heavier than I was expecting. But look at that. Isn't that, I'll put it that way, look, absolutely gorgeous. I just loved the colours. It's like duck egg blue and like a creamy colour with this flash of silver going along her dress. But it's sort of an art deco lady. She does want a bit of a wash with a bob there, look, as well. Very 1920s. And yeah, I know it's not a Scottie dog. It's well, it's a lurcher or a greyhound, one of those type of animals. A nice sight hound there. But even her hands look very elegant. It has got sort of a signature. It has got a signature on the bottom there. But it says 1997 Parastone something made in China on that label. So yeah, but she just spoke to me, but I didn't expect it to be as heavy as this. So this is absolutely solid. So that is lovely. I think she's really just elegant. So yeah, not quite sure where I'm going to put her, what I'm going to do with her, but it was a definite cheer up one, that one. So I've got that one. And lots of packaging. Look at that. I love this type of packaging. Yeah, I will be keeping that for when I send things out. And then I got these, and I know there's practically one used in every packet, but I know the people that they're coming from, and well, Chris and Belle. Unfortunately, Cookie has sort of a breathing condition, their little Cocker Spaniel, so unfortunately Belle can't use her burners or burn candles anymore, so she just sold off her wax melts. But as you can see, there's sort of like one missing from each one. So we've got a pumpkin spice, and we've got a few Christmassy ones, and yeah, so I thought, oh well, I use these quite a lot as well. Some of them haven't got much in, some of them have got a lot in. So that one's only got one missing. That's a Tipsy Plum, lovely. And what have we got there? A Vanilla Joy. So yeah, I mean, probably one of these packs will pay for the amount that I paid for the box. So yeah, I've got all those, so that'll keep me going for quite a while. And then I've got this game, which I don't think I'm going to be able to lift out of the box. It's called Seen It, and it's a DVD movie game. So premiere movie trivia game. So yeah, it looks like it's got Elf and everything on there. Let me see if I can get it out. Belle says she has gone through and checked that everything is there, so that is really good as well. And I just thought probably the kids will like to play this, the grandkids. So yeah, it's got all the pieces in it, look, and it's got the board. I think it's probably like a Trivial Pursuits thing, and then you've got, oh look at that, oh wow, and this is the second edition. So oh, so that looks pretty good to play. That's your CD that you put in, and then you've got some cards there, you've got some dice there as well. So yeah, I didn't pay much for this. I can't quite remember, I'll have to put it on screen. Oh, there's another dice there as well, look. So, and these, looks like these, oh look, one of the packs of questions has never been opened, so that's really good. So yeah, we always like games, but I'd say if I went to a car boot sale, I'd probably be a little bit wary about buying it, because you think, oh, you know, has it got all the pieces? But yeah, it looks in really good condition. Somebody's really looked after that. So now I can't get the box lid back on. Okay, so yeah, just a quick little video just to show you some bits and pieces that I've been buying. Oh, Millie's coming to have a look now. Having a look, having a sniff. Everything that comes in the house has to have the Scottish seal of approval, or sniff of approval. So yeah, we've got a basket of cats and a game. I don't like these cats. I think these are just so cute. Are you knocking that out the way? Are you having a good sniff? Oh, don't knock it over. Are you trying to get back in your bed? I'll be moving in a second, and then we've got our lovely lady as well there. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with those. Millie, what are you trying to do? I think she's trying to get into her bed. You're trying to get into your bed? Go around the other way, silly girl. Go around the other way. Millie is now paper ripping. What are you doing? Are you having a good sniff? Are you going to help me say goodbye to everybody? Okay, so we'll say I hope you've enjoyed the video. Pause and thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. If you've got any comments or questions, in the comments down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Millie is on a newspaper tearing spree there, look. She's oh right, oh I know what she's doing. She's getting the candles, look. Yep, she's into the wax melts, just double checking those to see what they're like. Do you like the pumpkin spice? Let's move them over here. Let's move them over here. Oh dear, she is a funny dog. She is a funny dog. So yeah, if you've got any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I'd love you to join our little family and see what we get up to next. And I've just realised I'm upside down, but never mind. Oh, she's talking to me. I'd love you to join our little family. So if you press the subscribe button down in the corner or scan the QR code on the screen, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you won't miss anything. Yay! And that there is part of a project that I'm hopefully going to be doing when my arm gets better, so keep watching this space. Lots of fun to come. Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.